Beamer here to check out at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 1998 BMW Z3 M edition. Good looking convertible. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, actual miles, a little over 45,000 is all in this car. The 3.2 liter inline dual overhead cam 6-cylinder, 5-speed manual transmission. Take a look at the front fascia. This was originally an Oklahoma and Texas car majority of its life. Paint color on it's not necessarily a black. It's a really dark graphite gray, I guess, if you would. You BMW experts out there can probably let me know the exact paint color down in the comments. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, you can click on a link down below the video in the description. It's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Correct BMW wheels. Be a fun car for your summer drives. Also handle like they're on rails. Nice horsepower to weight ratio. Bucket seats, center console. Well taken care of and maintained. Power top, we'll put that up here towards the end of the video. Let you check out the condition of that. We're going to take this car for a drive at the very end of the video. But first, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. I did notice there are some kind of little etch spots, maybe here or there in the clear. Overall, car still has a nice shine to it, looks good. Just want to mention there are some kind of spots where you get just a little etching in the clear. Kind of reflects a little bit different. But overall, good looking car. And once again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Take your time looking through them. Probably over 100 pictures of this car online, every angle, top to bottom, inside and out. You'll also see inside the trunk, there's owner's manuals. Also, tech noted the brakes are 80% or better, all four corners. Does have true dual exhaust. Catalytic converters are there. New front struts and sway bar links. So we take a look up and down this driver's side. If you like these imports, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Anything from turn of the century Fords and Chevys to your late model high performance cars. A little bit of everything. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run. We'll take a peek underneath the hood, and then like I said, we'll put up that convertible top also. Door panel looks good. Notice the interior of this car is very clean. Leather looking good on the seating surface. A little bit of wear on the leather on the bolster. Kind of common for going in and out. And the leather, being a natural hide, it's going to wear like a nice comfortable pair of shoes, so to speak. Start it up, we'll check out the exact mileage here. All right, so 45,189 is exact miles. Dash looks good. I did have the stereo working earlier. What do we have down here? Looks like oil temp. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect that to be up. Voltmeter and clock. Of course, AC blows cold in this. There were no warning indicators, check engine lights, just getting low on fuel. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run quick. Nothing crazy over the top. Sounds like the stock exhaust to me. And we're going to take a peek underneath this hood. Let me go ahead and pause this. I want to get this hood open, and we'll check out that engine bay, and then like I said, I'll show you how the top goes up and down. check out the condition of that, and if you stick around to the very end, take it for a drive. There you get a look at the underside of the hood. The hood liner's spotless. Doesn't appear this thing has really been driven in much for inclement weather, no doubt about that. There it is. Inline 6 dual overhead cam, 3.2 liter. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay. Old BMW M Power. Sounds good, looks good underneath there. All right, let me go ahead and button this up, and I'll get the tripod set up. Let's check out this convertible top too. And as you can see, that's an awful easy one to work. Now, of course, it doesn't finish closing or start the opening. So if you're going up with it like I just did there, you still need to pull it the last little bit and then latch it. Same as when you're going down, and I'll show you that too. We got to unlatch it, latch it, push it up a little bit, and the power will do the rest. Nice bit above the windshield. So there's a black fabric cloth top. A little wear spot right there, but that's going to be fine. Rear window's clear. Let's put it this way. You need to stay out of the sun or rain shower. Not going to be a problem with this one. No rips, tears, big holes, anything like that. And that side glass fits nicely. Rolled the side windows up so you could see that too. Nothing to hide on this one. Tell you what, let me show you going back down real quick. We'll wrap up this walk around. And there you go. You can see it. Works pretty easily putting that top down. Just remember, parking brake on and foot on the brake. And then you just get it started. As far as the front of the top, push the button, away it goes. 1998 BMW Z3 M Edition. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, a little over 45,000 miles is all. Call us, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pics. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1998 BMW Z3. This is a 5-speed manual. This is a convertible, and we do have the top down today. to drive little car. I only had the tachometer barely up to 4,000 RPMs and acceleration was good. Our fuel gauge is working, reading less than a quarter of a tank. Tachometer and speedometer working as they should. The temperature almost to the middle of the way up the gauge. Volts are at 14 and the temperature is about 180. Those are down here below the radio. Radio does power up. Very responsive steering, nice road feel. As you'd expect from BMW. These cars are so small and light that they're just fun to drive. And when you have a stick shift, you can put the throttle right where you want it, the acceleration and the revs right where you want it at the time. We're in second now in the roundabout. You can get some G-force going and not break loose because it's such a light, low car. Very fun to drive. Great looking semi-racing style, I would say. Bucket seats in this car. Power convertible top. Lots of bells and whistles. A very fun car to drive. Look at all the pictures and learn about this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.